In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shine theme free download and complete Shopify store customization tutorial. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open Online Store. This is where all your themes live and where you'll control how your storefront looks. On the Themes page, choose Visit Theme Store. That will open the official Shopify theme store in a new tab, which is the safest place to explore and install themes. In the theme store, look for the search bar at the top. It's usually highlighted to catch your eye. Click that highlighted search field, then type Shine. You should see the Shine theme appear in the results. Click the Shine theme card to open its details page. If your search clears or you don't see results right away, just click the highlighted search box again, type Shine once more, and then select the Shine theme from the list. On the Shine theme page, choose Try Theme. This adds Shine to your store as an unpublished draft, so you can customize everything before you go live. Head back to your Shopify Admin Themes section, find the newly added Shine draft, and click Edit Theme to open the visual editor. Inside the editor, start with the header group. Here you can add your logo, fine-tune the navigation, and set announcement bars. Keep your logo size readable on both desktop and mobile, and make sure your top menu reflects your most important collections for quick shopper access. Next, open the template area. This controls the main sections on the page you're editing, like hero banners, featured collections, and product grids. Rearrange sections by dragging them, and update the images and text to match your brand voice. Keep your headlines concise, use high-quality images, and preview on mobile frequently to ensure spacing and buttons look great on smaller screens. Small color and typography tweaks here can make your store feel polished and cohesive. Finally, go to the footer group. Add your store's quick links, policy pages, newsletter sign-up, and social icons. Keep the footer organized into clear columns so customers can find contact details and key information without scrolling back to the top. If you enable a newsletter form, pair it with a short, friendly line about what subscribers can expect. As you make changes, use the Save button often, and switch between page templates and device previews to test consistency. When you're happy with the look, you'll be ready to publish the theme from the Themes page. That's it. Shine is installed, customized,